Su-34. Multipurpose tactical bomber developed on the basis of the Su-27 fighter. He uses an unusual solution, placing the positions of the crew of two next to each other and not one behind the other, which facilitates cooperation between crew members, and also allows them to stand up during long missions and use a small toilet and a stove. In addition, the cabin is protected from fire by a titanium shield. And the aircraft itself, in addition to the ability to carry tactical nuclear weapons, it is also capable of performing reconnaissance roles, conducting air combat and refueling in flight. Of the novelties that the developers introduced on board the Su-34 fighter bomber, one can single out the Kivani or Sorption S electronic warfare equipment, which are similar to the reconnaissance DLRO of Russia. Because of these features of electronic weapons, the Su-34 was compared back in 2016 with the latest American carrier-based electronic warfare aircraft EA-18 Growler.
Subscribe to the channel, it will be more interesting. Thank you in advance.
Also, on board the Su-34 there is a new Platon optical system, which is able to aim air-to-surface guided missiles at the target, as well as FAB-500 and FAB-1500 gliding bombs. Official name: Russian Multifunctional Frontline Supersonic Fighter Bomber of the 4th generation Su-34 according to NATO classification, fullback, defender. Basic modifications: Su-34, Su-34M, Su-34NVO and Su-32, export. Crew 2 people. Length 34 meters. Maximum weight with fuel and weapons 45,100 kilograms. Engine power plant with 2 Saturn AL-31 FM1 turbofan afterburners. Top speed at altitude Mach 1. 8, 1900 kilometers per hour, surface Mach 1. 2, 1400 kilometers per hour. Range one way at subsonic speed 4500 kilometers. Combat radius 1130 kilometers at subsonic speed, 600 kilometers at supersonic speed. Practical altitude ceiling 17 kilometers. Armament aircraft 30 mm Cannon GSH 30-1 for 180 rounds. Armament hardpoints 12 PCS. Guided munitions are 27 medium-range air-to-air missiles, are 73 short-range, are 77 long-range air-to-air missiles. Cruise guided missiles air-to-surface KH-38, KH-65, KH-41, anti-ship. Unguided munitions in blocks no. Air bombs FAB-500, FAB-1500, RBC-500, anti-tank cassette. Equipment: electronically scanned radar, electronic countermeasure system, radar warning receiver. Start of production 1990. In service with Russia 2014. Producer NAZ named after Chkalov. Developer Sukhoi Design Bureau. Total produced 136 to 150 units. Quantity in service with Russia 127 units, data from the portal Flight Global. Com. Cost $45 to $50 million. T-90M. It is a modernized and improved version of the T-90 tank. Both the welded turret of a redesigned design, which increases the level of protection, and the hull have been changed. The scope of modernization mainly included the installation of new weapons in the form of an improved smoothbore gun, with a new fire control system and a remotely controlled weapon module with an anti-aircraft machine gun cord on the ceiling of the tower. New modular armor protects the hull and turret, while lattice armor protects the rear of the vehicle. Among other novelties, it is also worth noting the satellite navigation system and the modern environmental control system. To improve mobility, the tank also received a new 1,130 horsepower diesel engine, with automatic transmission and APU generator. Another interesting piece of equipment is the Stora Active Protection System, which is designed to reduce the likelihood of being hit by anti-tank missiles. Main characteristics of the T-90M. Thanks to its outstanding performance, the Russian tank remains one of the best in the world. Layout: classical. Combat weight: 48 tons. Engine power: 1130 L. Width: highway speed up to 70 km per hour. Power reserve, 550 kilometers. Crew, 3 people. Armor, combined. Gun, modernized smoothbore 2A46M5. Barrel length, 48 calibers. Ammunition, 40 rounds. Firing range, 3000, 5000 mobile. Additional weapons, a machine gun. The breakthrough is protected by combined anti-ballistic armor with a filler in the form of plain parallel plates and inserts made of steel of increased hardness and other materials. The vehicle is equipped with the third-generation Relikt modular reactive armor, which replaced the Soviet Contact 5. In active protection, the nodes of the Afghanik complex, installed on the T-14 Armata, are partially used. Anti-cumulative lattice screens are mounted on the stern and turret, which save when attacked using hand grenade launchers. Automatically ejected aerosol grenades
forget
will
to
hide the
subscribe
car
and
from
like.
guidance systems.